chemotherapy during the week, which sucks. It just kind of, it's for the long chemotherapy where it's got to be in there for like 4 days. And the way everything laid out, surgery wise and chemotherapy wise, we had to do it. We had to do it during the week. Usually we do it during the weekend. We go in on Friday and get out on Monday. Today we went, this time we went in on Monday. Today's Tuesday. And we get out on Thursday. So yeah, that frees up the weekend, but it's quite a strain during the week because I gotta go to work, gotta make sure the kids are fed before I go down to the hospital. And usually, you know, during the weekend I go down to the hospital, I get down there about 12, stay till about 7, then I come home. But actually now it's 6 o'clock after work, obviously. It's 6 o'clock, and I'll probably stay there till 9, 10. So it becomes a long day during the week. That's how usually the Mondays are. I go to work, get home, go there. By the time he's all ready to go, it's like 7, 8 o'clock at night, you know, by the time he gets discharged. So it just becomes a long day. So he has this chemotherapy, which he gets out on Thursday, and then he gets Friday, Saturday, Sunday off, and then he's got to go back in on Monday for another round of chemotherapy, and then off till, well, I mean, he gets a surgery June 7th, so it's just tiresome for everyone. It makes it hard on the other kids because, you know, usually my wife's home during the week. We try to make it to where my wife's home during the week, and so she can help the kids with schoolwork and, you know, do stuff around the house, and where it's a little more normal. Doing the chemotherapy during the week just throws everything off. It's super crappy. So that's kind of what we're doing this week and next week. And then we'll have, I think we'll have like a week or so off. And then we got to go in for surgery, which is terrifying. He's going to end up getting his femur replaced, and I think his knee too. So it's kind of terrifying for the whole family. But the good thing is, after he has it done, he'll be able to at least put weight on it, somewhat kind of walk on it. You know, that's if it's tolerable. So yeah, we're going down to surgery at U of M, which, I don't know, it made me feel more comfortable. Logan felt more comfortable with it. It's just better all the way around. So but just down at U of M, it's just, well, I live in St. Clair. U of M is like 80, almost 90 miles away. So coming up on June 7th, that's going to be quite a trek. Because I'm probably going to end up spending the night down there, a few nights, just because it's such a long trip. That kind of leaves other kids to fend for themselves. I mean, they're old enough; they can handle a few nights without mom and dad. I'm pretty sure. Hopefully, the house still standing when I get home. You know, not having parties or anything. You know what happened when appreciate all the help. GoFundMe, the Zelle, the Venmo, even PayPal. I just appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. The family does too, because it just helps me take some time off of work so I can be with my son. Appreciate it. But you guys know what you need to do. Hit up the GoFundMe, please. The Zelle, the Venmo. If you can, donate. If you can't, hit up the YouTube, watch some videos. That helps. I get a little advertising revenue that way. So anything helps. I just need gas money and just a little more help. You know, I still gotta get the bills paid. That's what it comes down to. And having the GoFundMe has been helpful. So this is just a quick update. Chemotherapy. Like I said, we got one more before surgery. And I appreciate it. Thank you very much for all the support. If you can, donate, please. I think I'm going to try to get some shirts or hats or something, like fundraiser. Try to do something with that. If you guys know of any platform that does a good job of that, let me know. I gotta try to find something for a little more support. Alright everyone, thank you, and I will see you on the next update.